Sitting here thinking about what kind of video should I do today. It's still really hard to get ideas. I'm not confident in front of the camera. This is still weird to me, especially because I'm not getting many views, especially when compared to big pages. The fact I get any views, thank you all to watch this. So I'm like, what kind of video can I do? What happened to me today? Overall, I had a great day. I worked, I made my money. Stock market dip. That was not cool. Got some cool plans coming up, which I'm excited about. I got an editor for my book, so that's a win. The big thing that's really been bugging me though today, I had a bad workout. What to do when you have a bad workout? They happen. It's natural. Beginners in the gym, you're working out, you're feeling good, and you're like, yeah, I love this. I could do this every day. Oh, wait. Bad days are coming. I've been training full-time for years now, and the longer I get, I feel like the more bad days are frequent, and it sucks. You're like, no matter how many warm-up sets, no matter how many stretches you do, you just can't get in the zone. You feel groggy. I train in the morning, too. You pick up the 20s, and they feel like the 40s. You pick up the 40s, they feel like the 80s. And it's embarrassing, and there's nothing you can do to stop it. There are some, again, I've had so many of these workouts. They're natural, they're part of it. Still fight through it, stick to your program, try and hit decent numbers, feel good about yourself no matter what. So they're inevitable. What to do when they happen? I got a few things. First of all, I'm still going to crush it. I'll identify it when it happens. That's a big one. Identify you're having a bad workout. Your body is not there. Something went wrong. So pick any weight, crush it. I even picked just one exercise. Say it's a chest day, flies suck, bench press sucks, everything sucks. I'm like, all right, I'm going to add dumbbell press to this. And that's the exercise I was feeling the best for me. I'm going to add dumbbell press. Absolutely crush dumbbell press. Try your hardest to make it worth it. Absolutely crush those. Even if you have to do 20 sets of just dumbbell press, that's the best feeling exercise. Just keep going with it. Other things you can do, make sure you're hydrated. Drink some freaking water. Make sure you're not injured. Do a better warm-up. Certain cues for a bad workout, if you notice, maybe if I just warmed up a little bit more, maybe if I didn't eat that certain food before the workout, identify those factors. And then for your next workout, try it. Be like, I had oats before my workout and I had a bad workout. Switch to something like eggs or bread. And if you have a good workout after that, cool. Realize you might not be able to have oats pre-workout sometimes. The body's ever changing though, you might have to change it. Other things, maybe have a little bit more caffeine. Maybe you're weaning off pre-workout. Maybe you only had 100 milligrams. Maybe just do an extra little scoop. Me, I like to wash my face in cold water if I'm having a bad workout. Just splash a little bit up there. That really helps. And other ones, do your laundry. Change your workout gear. Put in something uncomfortable. There are so many different ways to make sure you have a good workout when you're having a bad one. And when they do happen, that's good. It's just one workout. You're working out full time. You got this. You're a monster in the gym. I believe in you. Comment below other things you like to do when you're having a bad workout. There's tons of them. And again, they happen. Screw it, Thank you all. Please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram @sweet_glutes.